Imagine a place where snow-capped peaks pierce the sky. Crystal clear air fills your lungs. This is Hatu Peak, a Himalayan treasure waiting to be discovered. Located near the charming town of Narkanda, Hatu Peak offers a thrilling yet accessible trek. It's perfect for both seasoned hikers and first-timers seeking adventure. Hatu Peak stands tall at an impressive 11,152 feet. It rewards trekkers with breathtaking panoramic views. Dense forests and lush meadows line the trail. These add to the charm of this one-day adventure. This trek is an invitation to immerse yourself in nature's beauty. It's a chance to create unforgettable memories. Narkanda, a picturesque town in Himachal Pradesh, serves as the base for the Hatu Peak trek. This hill station is known for its apple orchards and stunning landscapes. It's easily accessible from Shimla, making it a convenient getaway for those seeking respite in the Himalayas. The journey to Narkanda itself is a scenic delight. You'll wind through pine forests and charming villages. The fresh mountain air invigorates your senses. It sets the stage for the adventure that awaits. Narkanda offers comfortable accommodations and local eateries. This ensures a pleasant stay before and after your trek. The Hatu Peak trek commences from a point just beyond Narkanda. A well-defined trail guides you through dense forests of towering pine and cedar trees. The air is filled with the fragrance of pine needles. The sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The trail is well marked, making it easy to navigate. Along the way, you'll encounter benches strategically placed for resting. This makes the trek manageable for people of all fitness levels. The gentle sound of a nearby stream adds to the tranquility of the surroundings. It creates a symphony of nature's music. Section 4: Nature's Grand Spectacle. As you ascend, the forest gradually gives way to open meadows. Here you're treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the majestic Himalayas. Snow-capped peaks like Deo Tiber, Rohtang Pass and Spiti Valley dominate the horizon. The trail continues to climb steadily upwards. You'll encounter patches of colorful wildflowers, adding vibrancy to the landscape. The air grows crisper. The views become more awe-inspiring with every step. The trek is a testament to the rewards of perseverance. It culminates in a truly unforgettable experience at the summit. Section 5: Atop the peak where faith meets the sky. Reaching the summit of Hatu Peak is a moment of triumph, a culmination of effort, determination, and sheer willpower. Standing at 11,152 feet, you're rewarded with an unparalleled 360-degree view of the majestic Himalayas, a sight that leaves you in awe. The snow-clad peaks seem close enough to touch, their pristine beauty almost surreal. The world stretches out before you in a breathtaking panorama, a vast expanse that makes you feel both insignificant and incredibly alive. At the summit, you'll also find the ancient Hatu Mata Temple, a place of worship that has stood the test of time. This temple holds immense religious significance for the locals who come here to seek blessings and offer prayers. It's dedicated to goddess Kali, the fierce and powerful deity revered in Hinduism. The temple's colorful flags flutter in the wind, each one carrying prayers and hopes to the heavens. They add a touch of vibrancy against the backdrop of the azure sky, creating a scene of spiritual beauty. The air is filled with a sense of peace and serenity, a calm that envelops you completely. It's a perfect spot for quiet reflection and soaking in the beauty of your surroundings, a place where faith truly meets the sky. Section 6: Tips for your Hatu Peak adventure. The Hatu Peak trek is achievable for most fitness levels, making it a great adventure for both beginners and seasoned hikers, but it's essential to be prepared. Proper preparation can make your trek more enjoyable and safe. Wear comfortable trekking shoes with good grip. This will help you navigate the rocky and uneven terrain with ease. The trail can be rocky in parts, so be cautious and watch your step to avoid any injuries. Carry ample water to stay hydrated, as there are no water sources along the trail. Dehydration can be a serious issue at higher altitudes. Pack some snacks or energy bars to keep your energy levels up. These will provide you with the necessary fuel to keep going. The weather in the mountains can be unpredictable. It can change rapidly, so always be prepared for sudden weather shifts. Layering your clothing is advisable. This allows you to adjust to the changing temperatures and stay comfortable throughout your trek. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. The UV rays can be stronger at higher altitudes. The ideal time to embark on the Hatu Peak Trek is from May to October. During these months, the weather is generally pleasant. The trail is accessible and the scenery is at its best. However, it's always a good idea to check the weather conditions before your trek. This will help you pack appropriately and avoid any surprises. Be aware of altitude sickness, which can affect some individuals. Symptoms can include headaches, nausea and dizziness. Ascend gradually and allow your body to acclimatize. Taking regular breaks can help you adjust to the altitude and enjoy your trek more. Section 7. Embrace the mountain's call. The Hatu Peak Trek is more than just a physical challenge. It's a profound experience that tests your limits and expands your horizons. It's a journey of self-discovery, where every step taken is a step towards understanding oneself better. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh mountain air and to experience the raw, untouched beauty of the Himalayas. The trek offers breathtaking views that are nothing short of spectacular. It provides a profound sense of accomplishment as you stand atop the peak, knowing you've conquered the challenge. So heed the call of the mountains and let their ancient whispers guide you. Embark on this unforgettable adventure, one that promises to be etched in your memory forever. Create memories that will last a lifetime, shared with friends and fellow adventurers. Let the beauty of Hatu Peak inspire you, filling your heart with awe and wonder. Let the serenity of the Himalayas rejuvenate your soul, bringing peace and tranquility. This trek is a testament to the fact that the greatest journeys often lead to the most breathtaking destinations, where every moment is a treasure.